what I really want to highlight today is three stories on how SAP analytic tools are addressing solvable issues within business today. My name is Dan Cupersmith. I've been in industry for about 15 years. I started off as an internal auditor back in the day, so I come from a finance background, not an IT background. I have a degree in accounting, and I've been working with SAP solutions for 16, 17 years now. The last client I want to talk about is a medical manufacturer that is using BPC, business planning consolidations, for forecast accuracy and then also for demand planning. They noticed before they implemented the tool that they had pockets of inventory spread out all around the world. So some areas would have more inventory, some areas would be deficient in inventory. And they had sales guys that were going in and being very over optimistic on their plan, and some were sandbagging it. So they weren't having accurate sales forecasts. They weren't having accurate demand plan. They used BPC with some forecast accuracy, and they changed the paradigm to where they started influencing the sales guys or compensating the sales guys to where they were compensated based on forecast accuracy. So whether they were within 1% of what they said they were going to do, then they would get compensated. And BPC was able to track all that forecast and how accurate they were. And by doing that, they were able to generate enormous savings within the organization. They went from having pockets of inventory throughout the world to actually balanced inventories. They had inventory in the places they needed it. They had less inventory where they didn't need it. They were able to automate their demand plan and save about $180,000 a year in just demand plan automation. And then by doing that demand plan automation, they were able to save $17 million in working capital for their balance sheet. And they were also able to generate $360,000 a year in additional revenue by having accurate forecasts. So using all these different stories, I'm bringing together how SAP is solving business issues using this tool.